Hello everyone, it's John from Chilliwack. Today I want to introduce to you a new product that we're selling. This is a classic hinged box trap by Chilliwack, made here in Chilliwack. This one has a pet guard installed in front. We've listened to people who said, well, I have a dog or a cat and I'm really worried that they're going to stick their nose into the trap if they're roaming around in the backyard and they find the trap. So what I've installed was a pet guard, which is like a little tiny house that creates a distance of about 8 inches between the front entrance where the rats go in to where the trap actually is situated. Let me show you how it works, and I'm going to follow up with a video showing you how the animals interact with this trap. So what you do is you just unlatch the trap on the side, flip open the box. In the back here, I pre-baited some peanut butter into like a little tiny shooter cup, some sunflower seeds, sprinkle some sunflower seeds inside the little tiny box so that the rat will come and go back and forth and eat the sunflower seeds thinking, hey, this is pretty good, there's food inside here, and you want to lure them in back to the back of the trap. So some sunflower seeds here, a little bit of sunflower seeds in the middle, maybe take a little dab of peanut butter onto the little bar. That's all you have to do. Then you put your 2 thumbs on the trap, lock it into place. You close the box up, and then all you have to do is just wait for the rat to come along and get caught. You can see the rat by looking into this side of the trap right here, right there. You can also look in by looking at the end, or what you can do is open up the trap and you will find the rat dispatched. That's how it works at Chilliwack. Stay tuned and watch the video of how the rat constantly goes back and forth in the trap. They're very intelligent animals, and if you have rats and you want to get rid of them, this is the trap for you. Thank you very much.